We describe our music as a road to consciousness. But we call it music still, you know, revolutionary music.
Live it. Haiti know it. The Middle East born tonight. Superpower started. Orient compute it. Asia suffer it. So we have to done it. Rise up, left, right. Rise up, left, right. Rise up. Oh, rise up.
Rise up, stand up, vibes up. This is no time to loaf around. Hi, move up, stand up, vibes up, rise up. This is no time to wait around. Hi, don't angel feed those who asleep. Can't get the heed in the Bible we keep. Angel feed those who asleep, but you can't get the heed in the Bible we keep. Move up. Stand up, rise up. This is no time to loaf around. Aye. Move up, stand up, vibes up, rise up. This is no time to wait around.
Jah use them wise, yeah. Rise up, stand up for justice, yeah. Rise up, stand up for your rights, yeah. Rise up, my brothers, rise up, my sisters, rise up, oh yeah. Can't trick us with their money, neither they go, no. Just say I am on a mission with music to heal the people mind and their soul. With words of wisdom, with songs of melody. Oh, I wanna see my people living in harmony. Rise up, stand up for justice. Rise up, stand up for your rights. Rise up, my brothers. Rise up, my sisters. Rise up.
Corten, toma uno. Acción.
It was a very beautiful festival. Rise Up es una crew que se lo ha montado muy bien.
Este año ha sido un año con un cartel de estos de... No deja de ser un meeting, ¿no? Un gathering entre mogollón de peña conocida al final que crea un ambiente que al final no es ni más ni menos que una excusa para compartir lo que nos mola, ¿no? Al final un ambiente súper guapo, el entorno brutal.
Ha tenido una energía muy linda, las personas son un flujo de personas súper bonitas.
Verde. És un festival verde.
És un entorn per venir amb els nens i el reggae sempre acompanya.
Que estem supercontents de com ha anat tot, que jo no em puc treure el somriure de la cara perquè s'ha sortit tot genial.
Està sent una meravella, la gent està encantada, tothom està molt content i les activitats estan molt bé.
Molt bé, l'any que ve 3 dies.
Sí, 3 dies, és la segona persona que diu.
Rise up, come you bring the flow along, trotting on, el voz del reggae come once again along. Coming on, rise up, set up again the sun.
Yeah, Yala.
Corten,
Si ya no vino, no va a poder venir.